What's going on, everybody? Johnny here, coming live from Panama City. Yeah, we swung down for Memorial Day weekend for a few hours, but today we're going to talk about Operation Calilove. Actually here on live on the scene. We just closed on this one last week, and right now it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, maybe a 4th bedroom. We're going to see here how we modify the floor plan just to kind of maximize the efficiency and keep it within budget. We're targeting around 40 to 45,000 on the reno for this one. But you can see here this layout that you can have kind of living space here right off the carport, and then kind of open in to the kitchen area. We don't have the power on here, but you can see they got older cabinets. We're gonna have to we may be able to salvage these cabinets, but if not, we may go with the white shaker. They already got some granite in here, but looks like we're gonna have to just tear all this out and come back with a new kitchen and make that trade. But you have to the left, you have the main primary front door entrance, and then right off here we got this space that's kind of walled off. You got a separate door to come in here, so it looks like they were using it as a bedroom, could be a living space. It flows kind of back off into that back room. Going down the hallway, we got 3 bedrooms, all nice size closets. You got your bathroom right off the hallway, your master, and your second guest room. Always want to check out your panel. Gonna come in, we're gonna actually get our electrician to come in, pull this panel, check the wiring, make sure the wiring's good. Coming through the house. Master bathroom here with the standalone shower. Nice size, what you would expect for just a normal starter home. We have the hallway bathtub. We do a complete remodel of that. Then out back with this one, we actually have a swimming pool in ground. One of the things you always want to ensure is that the swimming pool has water inside the pool. This one does. It actually has the tile work. Is it in bad shape around the upper area of the pool? Nice yard. The guys are actually here on scene cleaning out the back shed that they had that was full of crap. But yes, once we get the yard together and fully demoed and cleared out, it's gonna be nice. Need a new roof on the outside, but overall it's a quiet neighborhood. Nice curb appeal out front, and we'll look to have this done here in about 60 days. Just depending on the permits, we may be a little bit longer, just depending on if they're backed up with some of the inspections. But overall, it should be a good project. Operation Calilove here in Panama City. I'm live on the scene today, walking through, hanging out with the guys a little bit, checking in on the projects, and we just wanted to share this with you. As always, if you're looking to get started in real estate investing, hit me up. We'll talk through about the coaching program and how we work and help clients kind of build up their own real estate investing business. And then also on the private investing side, if you want to be a passive investor, get that cash on cash return on your capital, definitely reach out to us and sign up and join our investor portal with our investor community, and you'll be able to log in and see all our opportunities as they come up. See you on the next video.